Hey guys, welcome back in this episode. Today we're gonna do a eating contest. We have apple, corn, and melon are going to eat. So are you ready, guys? Not yet. But why there's this why there's a cactus in here? Yeah, you're gonna eat it. No, I don't want to die. Well, oh, but anyways, here are the rules. If you if if you cheat, you die. Okay, guys? That's it. Cheat? Yeah, don't cheat. All right, ready? All right, ready. Go. Oh, I can't eat it. No. Wait a minute. Why? Why I had to eat this? Oh my God! No. No. What is going on? Ow. My God. Oh my God, I'm getting fat. What the heck? Oh no, I have to eat. Ah, so good. Why? Corn, why you didn't eat? Ow! Ah. Ooh, I only have this cactus. I can't eat that. Whoopsies. Red was cheating. You're out. What? No. I didn't cheat. I promise. No. Oh. Ow. Better not cheat, Corn. I won't. Ooh, I have 2 corns, apple, and a cactus. Yum. So good. Oh my God, yes. I love corn. Yeah. Yum. Oh no. I had to eat this, sir? I had to eat that? Yes, he had to eat it. But no. I don't want to eat this. Looks like Red is eliminated, so he doesn't serve to get a trophy. I'm not eating this. Who are you? Oh, I guess I have to eat it though. Ow. Oh my God. Ow, there's spikes in my belly. Ow. 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 There's spikes in my stomach. Ow. Ow, it hurts. Ow. Oh. Sorry, Corn, but you're eliminated. Bye-bye, Corn. No. Ow. Ow. Alright. Let's see, you can try. Alright, Corn is eliminated. Okay. Okay, I can eat that. Yes. Ow. Oh! Oh! Ow! 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 I need medicine. I need healing medicine. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't eat those. Yum. I had to eat the chair? Yes, you had to eat. Yes, you had to eat the chair. What? Why you die? I don't know why, but just give me the medicine. Okay, don't worry. I'll give it to you. There we go. Just continue eating. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna win this. Yo. Oh. Alright, I'm not giving up. I have to eat this. How? Why? How am I gonna eat this? Oh. Never mind. I don't want to eat that. No. I'm almost done. Just a cactus. Uh, uh, no, I can't eat this cactus. I have no choice. I have to throw it to him. No, I missed. I have to eat this chair. Okay. I ate it. I ate it. Oh. Oh my god. We have a winner. Mellon. Oh my god. I won. I'm the winner. Yay. But I mean medicine though. Oh. Ow. Oh. I won. Well, so what are you gonna give me? Well, I'm gonna give you... what should I give you? I will give you a present for one. Or maybe 3 presents. Maybe 4. Oh my god, that's a lot of presents you gave. Thank you. Well, but you can open your present. Why the movie is over? Okay, I'll open one. First present. Open. Why is it not opening? Open. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got a bunny. Alright. Second present. Open. Oh. How did it open already? Oh my god, a duck. Oh my god. I got the duck. Alright. Third present. Open. Oh, a helicopter. Nice. The last present. Open. Oh, a monkey. I don't know what is that, but thanks for giving me all the gifts. Oh, I also have one more to give you. A snowman to eat. What the? Okay. Ow! Ow! I can't do this! Well, guys, thanks for watching. What the? Get out of here. Well, guys, thanks for watching this eating contest video. I hope you like this video. So, bye, guys.